Today we are going to meet some good person, and he is having humanity, and as well as he is a very capable person in mechanical oriented technology, that is MeK design consultancy. Hello.
Welcome, sir.
Mark, sir. MeK Design Consultancy.
Okay, thank you. I want to meet Dr. Tannabani.
Sir.
Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay, actually, we have so many times heard about your MeK Design Consultancy.
Okay.
Can you please explain in shortly what are the courses available here? Actually, here the courses are there.
Yeah.
Please kindly go
Yeah, sure.
on that.
Okay. Good morning
Yes,
to all.
yes, sir.
Yeah. I am Dr. M.V. Dandapani from MeK Design Consultancy, Coimbatore. We are offering here various courses which comes under mechanical engineering, particularly in the field of design. So we have courses like basic design engineer, product design engineer, and FEA for structural and CFD analysis. Particularly these courses is mainly used for diploma and engineering graduates. Okay, and let us see this also. You can see that there are the product development, particularly for industries and engineering services projects also we are taking care, and basic design engineer, advanced design engineer, and also we are providing the placement after completion of the training courses. Thank you.